Hi and welcome to the Dow Market View for Thursday the 28th of August 2014. And starting off with the daily chart. So again, on the Dow we've got prices there back at the all-time highs. Yesterday the market showed an inside bar, which you can see there as well. So trading in a narrow range, which is no surprise really, because we are near the all-time highs, and as I said in yesterday's Dow Market View, that the as we approach these all-time highs, we need some really good news to break through. And yesterday there was no economic news of any note, so the market just trading sideways there. It's an inside bar, which means that it's trading inside of the previous days. In this case, Tuesday's high and Tuesday's low, so that's an inside bar. Inside bars are bars of indecision, because the market or nobody wanted to bid above the high or the previous day's low price, so a bit of indecision there in the market. But back at those all-time highs. In the 5-minute chart, we've got a sell, and then we see the market moving lower. Where does it trade down to? It goes down to the big round number there, which is around, let's have a look, 17,100. The market is tested, which we see there. We've got a bit of support coming in here, a bit more there, but it takes a breakthrough to realize there's no more selling around, and then all of a sudden we have this second testing here. Notice the volume there, very high, and then we see the market trading back up. And where does it trade to? Well, if we go from the high down to the low, it stops at the 76%, goes through on low volume, and then eventually comes back. Then trades in a sideways range, banging its head against this resistance all the way through until eventually it drops back down and moves lower. You'll also notice from here down to here, and if I draw that across, there is a double sort of resistance there as well, which is probably why we ended up with the inside bar for this market. So the on the intraday basis, one signal, 20 pips there, and the market then stuck at the BRN, trying to move up, but finding resistance at the 76% retracement there. That's why the market has that resistance there. Nice bit of activity at the beginning there, but then it peters out, and you can see nobody's really trading come 6 o'clock. We're normally between 6 and 8. It's quite good, but not yesterday. Just a bit of a shakeout there, back just to retest that BRN there, 17,100. Again, you see the testing happening there. You see the buying coming in, and then the market trading back. And no doubts, if I go from here down to here, you'll see again that same thing, the market struggling a bit there, going through on low volume and then coming back. So again, no surprise there at all. Today's economic news to be released, let's have a look from 1:30. We've got prelim GDP. This is out at 1:30, but the one we're concerned with is 3 p.m. We've got pending home sales, so we could get some activity around this time as well. Of course, we'll get some at 1:30 as well, especially if the GDP figure is less than forecast as well. So that one will be out though and factored into the market. Again, always check the background of the market before trading at 2:30, just to see where the support and resistance has been left behind from this economic news item. And then from 3 p.m, watch out for the pending home sales, which generally don't have too much of an effect upon the market there. So this ends today's Dow Market View. I will see you in tomorrow's. As ever, thank you for your support, and as ever, thanks for watching.